Ever wanted to make your character dramatically shatter into a cool, stylish plaid pattern? Today, we are diving into creating a breakup plaid effect in Godot. First, create a new 2D scene. This will be the base for our object that's going to break apart. This can be your character, an environment object, really anything. Next, add a sprite node as a child of your main scene. Now, assign a texture to the sprite. I'm using a simple square for now, but you can use your character sprite or whatever you want to shatter. This is where the magic happens. In the Sprites Inspector panel, locate the Material section and create a new ShaderMaterial. This lets us apply custom visual effects. Now, inside the ShaderMaterial, create a new shader. This is where we write the code that defines our breakup plaid effect. Open the shader editor here. We'll write the code to sample a plaid texture. Use it to determine which parts of the sprite to cut out and offset the fragments for the breakup effect. With a few lines of code, the character sprite now breaks apart, using the plaid pattern as a guide and vanishes. That's it. You've created a breakup plaid effect in Godot. Use this to add dramatic flair to your game. Don't forget to subscribe for more Godot tutorials.